We'll guide you through how to install Inkscape on your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official Inkscape website by typing inkscape.org into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage, look for the download button, usually located at the top or in the main navigation menu. Click on it and you'll be directed to the download page. Here, you need to choose the appropriate version for your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. Click on the relevant link to start the download. For Windows users, you'll typically download an exe file, while macOS users will download a DMG file. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder and double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation process. If you're on Windows, follow the installer prompts agreeing to the terms and conditions and choose your installation preferences like the destination folder. For macOS, drag the Inkscape icon into your applications folder as instructed. During installation, you might be asked to install additional software like Xcorts if you're on macOS. So go ahead and follow those prompts since it's necessary for Inkscape to run properly. After installation is complete, you can launch Inkscape from your desktop shortcut or the applications folder. If you want to customize your Inkscape experience, you can head to the preferences section within the app to adjust settings to your liking. And there you have it. Inkscape is now installed and ready for you to start creating stunning vector graphics. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.